Connect GitHub to Neurocad and generate CAD artifacts in seconds. From Connect, click on the GitHub tile. Click Add GitHub Connection. You'll land on GitHub's installation page. Click Install and Authorize. You'll automatically return to Neurocad's connection dashboard for GitHub. Confirm the connection is active. Head to Recipes and click New Recipe on the top right. Click the GitHub tile and Create Recipe. This takes you to the recipe editor. There are several things going on in the recipe, but only a few things you need to adjust to get started. Click the GitHub trigger node to view the menu panel on the right. You'll need to tell Neurocad which GitHub repository you want it to pull from to generate artifacts. The GitHub trigger node is set to push events to Neurocad. There are many different event options we will cover in a different video. Now, rename your GitHub recipe and click the checkmark to save. Then, click Deploy. You can make changes to your recipe at any time. Just make sure to click Update Deployment in the drop-down menu. Head over to Automate and toggle on the automation card. The recipe is activated when you see the green message. Now, open your GitHub repository and select the file you want to push to Neurocad. Click Open. Under Commit Changes, provide your file details and click Commit Changes. GitHub confirms the commit in your repository. Then head to your artifacts library in Neurocad to see all your generated artifacts and their history. From there, you can review, edit, and send any artifact to another EDA tool. If you need help troubleshooting, try searching your question. Look through Neurocad resources. Or contact support at Neurocad.